Today, we're going to listen to a Mizo folktale, Sichangneii. Once upon a time, there was a man who had a pond.
Why is my pond dirty again? I think there is someone who takes bath here every day. I must find out who it is.
One morning, he waited near the pond.
What? Who's that girl flying down from the sky?
The pretty girl bathed in the pond.
She is so beautiful. I've never seen a woman like her. I will capture her and marry her.
Hey, let me go.
No, let me take you home with me. Who are you?
My name is Sichangneii. Please let me go.
The man took Sichangneii home, hid her wings in the bottom of a box, and married her.
I'm the luckiest man in the world. My wife is so beautiful.
Time passed by. They had 6 sons named Sichangneii, Folktale, 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 and Folktale. They loved their children very much. Whenever Sichangneii stayed at home with her son, children, boys, stop crying! But the children never cried when their father stayed at home with them. Boys, tell me why you never cry when your father stays at home with you. The older ones kept quiet, but the youngest, Folktale, replied,
Mother, when father is home with us, he takes out long wings from the bottom of a box and we play with them so we don't cry.
"Aha, that's where he's hiding my wing." Sichangneii took out her wings and then put it on and flew back to their home in the sky.
Mother, please come back.
In the evening,
Where's your mother?
She has flown away.
Oh no, I'm going to kill myself. I can't live without you, mother sobbed.
No, father, no. Please don't kill yourself.
but again, Folktale said,
Yes, father, kill yourself.
and their father killed himself. So sad. The children were then on their own.
I'm so sad. Me too. I miss mother and father.
Don't cry, brothers.
One day,
Antea, you have good eyesight. Look at the sky and try to find mother.
when Antea looked at the sky,
Brothers, I see mother. She's pounding grains. Oh, yes. Folktale, get mother's attention. Shoot an arrow to the sky.
Okay, brother.
the arrow landed near Sichangneyi's feet. What? Oh, it's my children. Oh, I feel so sorry for them. Sichangneii then threw down a rope. Children, come and climb up the rope.
Yay! Yes, mother!
The children then lived with their mother and their grandfather in the sky. But Sichangneyi's grandfather was not happy living with the boys. One day,
Grandfather, where are we going?
We're going to the forest. These children are so annoying. I'm going to kill them.
in the forest, while they were cutting a tree,
Boys, you must be tired. Why don't we take a break?
the grandfather continued to cut the tree secretly while the children had their lunch.
Let's hope the falling tree hits them and kills them all.
Then, after some time,
Look, The tree is going to hit us.
Dorothy, you can hold anything. Hold the tree back.
Yes, brother.
Dorothea held the tree up and saved his brothers. Meanwhile,
The boys will be dead by now. How should I cry when I see their bodies? Boo hoo, that's good. I'll cry like that. What? Oh, how come you're still alive?
We do not plan to die so easily.
back home, they told their mother what had happened. Oh no, I think my children are not safe here anymore. After a few days, their grandfather took the boys to the forest again.
Come on, boys, let's go to the forest to burn the trees.
Come, brothers, let's go.
Dorothea held the tree up and saved his brothers. Meanwhile,
The boys will be dead by now. How should I cry when I see their bodies? Boo hoo, that's good. I'll cry like that. What? Oh, how come you're still alive?
We do not plan to die so easily.
back home, they told their mother what had happened. Oh no, I think my children are not safe here anymore. After a few days, their grandfather took the boys to the forest again.
Come on, boys, let's go to the forest to burn the trees.
Come, brothers, let's go.
When they reached the forest,
Stay here, don't go anywhere.
their evil grandfather went down to the bottom of the hill to set fire to the trees. And then,
The trees are very dry, they will burn easily.
the fire spread quickly.
Look, the forest is burning.
Hi Tay, you can dig anything. Dig the ground for us to hide. Hurry!
Yes, brother.
Haitea quickly began to dig the ground.
It's big enough now. Quick, everybody, jump in.
They began to jump in one by one. They all went inside the big hole.
Teen Tay, you can cover anything. We are not safe unless you cover the hole.
Yes, brother, I'll cover the hole.
This way, the children were safe from the fire. After the fire had died down,
Let me look for the children's ashes. Ha ha.
when he reached the place where he had left the children,
I thought of you all would be dead by now. How come you are still alive?
Of course, we are still alive. What did you expect?
again the children told Sichangneii what had happened to them. Oh, I'm so afraid my father will kill my sons if I don't do something. My dear sons, you should go home. Otherwise, your grandfather will kill you all.
But, mother,
We will miss you so much.
yes, mother, we will obey your wish.
Sichangneii had said a tearful farewell to her children. Take care, my sons.
Goodbye, mother.
Oh, I'll miss them so much. One day, when lying down, the boys looked up at the sky.
Those nasty children, they always look up. I'll pour dust on them.
And then
Heh heh.
the dust got into the children's eyes.
Brothers, something got into my eyes.
Me too.
I can't see. My eye hurts.
Alas, they all become blind. The 6 blind children became very poor and spent their days roaming around the forest, searching for food and shelter. And that's the end of the story.
Bye-bye.
We hope you enjoy the folktale from Mizoram.